just hype. What if you could start mining a new crypto project before it gets listed on exchange and potentially earn thousands of dollars from your phone? Well, today we are talking about ETHEM Network, a new mobile mining platform that claims users can earn up to 5,000 before its official listing date. But here is the real question. Is this the next opportunity like other mobile mining projects, or just another app you should ignore? In this video, I will show you what ETHEM Network is, how the mining system works, the 4 ways to maximize your mining rate, and a strategy many users miss. Make sure you watch until the end, because one simple trick could increase your mining rate dramatically. Let's start. First, let's understand the project. ETHEM Network is a mobile-based crypto mining application where users mine tokens directly from their smartphone, just like some other project. The idea is simple. Instead of expensive mining machines like a SIC, GPU, and so on and so forth, you mine through participation and network growth. According to the project roadmap, other adopters may benefit the most before the official listing exchange happens. Many early miners believe the token could become valuable once the network grows and trading begins. But remember, early mining success usually depends on 3 things: consistency, community growth, and referral network. And that brings us to the next important section. Mining in ETHEM Network is designed to be very simple. Here is the general process. You download the application, you create an account, you start mining and activating the mining session, and return daily to keep mining active. Also, I have a video showing step by step how to do this, and if you are starting now, watch the link in the description. The system rewards users based on activity, referral participation, and community growth. This means more active your network is, the higher your mining potential becomes. But here is some things many people miss. They ignore that mining alone may not give you the highest rewards. There are specific strategies that can increase your rate. According to the notes and community discussions, here we have 4 ways to maximize your mining rewards. The first one, consistency, is the number 1 rule. If you miss mining sessions, your mining rate may slow down. Many successful miners simply activate their mining every day. It only takes a few seconds, but consistency can make a big difference. The second one is a referral network. Referral systems are extremely powerful in mobile mining projects. When you invite people into your network, your mining rate can improve. Our team activity helps the ecosystem grow, but here is the important part. Don't just invite users randomly. Invite people who will actually mine regularly. The third one is to stay updated with the project news. Many mining projects introduce new bonuses, rate boost, community campaign, and if you ignore updates, you may miss important opportunities to increase your rewards. Otherwise, check project announcements. And the last one, avoid fake accounts. Some users try to create multiple accounts to increase earning, but this strategy is risky. Many projects detect duplicate accounts and may limit rewards or suspend accounts. It's always safe to build the real network instead. Lastly, let's talk about what many people underestimate, may miss. Here is a strategy that many people underestimate. Build a community around your referrals. Instead of just sending an invitation link, try this out. Create a WhatsApp or Telegram group. Share reminder to mine dailies. Discuss project update. Why this work? Because when your referrals stay active, your referral mining rate improves. A strong community can be far more valuable than a large, inactive referral list. Important thing to remember before you get too excited, here are something to keep in mind. Like in every project, nothing is granted. The success of ETHEM Network depends on user adoption, developer progress, and exchange listing. Early participation can be an advantage, but always do your own research before investing time or money. Mining apps are opportunities, but they are not granted profits. To summarize things, ETHEM Network offer mobile mining opportunity that rewards early participation and community growth. If you want to maximize your chance, mine consistently, build an active referral network, from project update, and grow your community. Now, I wanted to hear from you. Do you think ETHEM Network could become the next big mining project? Comment below and share your opinion. And after, if you want more video about crypto mining app, passive income strategy, and early crypto opportunity, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone interested in crypto. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next